Tired of distracting watermarks on your AI-generated videos? Today, I'll show you how to remove them completely free using SupaWork.ai, one of the simplest tools online. We'll test it with 3 different videos generated by Pixverse, Pollo.ai, and Runway. SupaWork is a free online tool that allows you to remove watermarks, text, or unwanted objects from your videos using AI. No downloads. No cost. And yes, it works in just 1 minute. Here in the menu, you can see all the tools of the site, from removing objects from images to adding Ghibli style to your photos. Today, we will use the Remove Watermarks tool. Using SupaWork is super simple. Just sign up for free credits. Once the banner appears, click on Claim. As you can see, 30 credits have been added to my account. However, to use the watermark tool, you don't need credits, because it is free. Here, you just have to upload the video from which you want to remove the watermark. Our first example is from Pixverse.ai. It shows a woman looking at a computer screen with the image of Jesus, a flying drone, and soldiers running in the background. Use your mouse to select the watermark. Here, the watermark appears in the top right corner. Once the area has been selected, click Confirm. And then click on Create and let the AI do the work. And with SupaWork, it's removed perfectly, leaving no trace behind. The scene remains sharp, with no blur or distortion. If you're satisfied with the work, you can download and use the video clip by clicking here. Next, a powerful shot from Pollo.ai. A giant robot being worshipped by a large crowd. The watermark is completely erased, and the quality remains crystal clear. There's no blurriness, and no loss of visual detail, even with complex motion. Next, we have a video from Runway showing a scientist examining a human hologram. The watermark in the lower right corner is removed cleanly and quickly. SupaWork handles this flawlessly, and the result looks professional and polished. Let's look at another example with Adam in the Garden of Eden walking towards the camera. As in the previous videos, the watermark has completely disappeared. As you can see, whether you're a content creator, marketer, or just someone who wants clean and professional visuals, SupaWork makes it easy. These are the pros of the tool. 100% free. Fast, just 30 seconds. No login or software needed. Keeps your video quality intact. And these are the cons. May struggle with moving or transparent watermarks. Limited for commercial use if you don't own the original content. This tool is perfect for personal use, demo videos, or testing AI content before going all in. SupaWork is a game changer if you need to clean up your AI videos without spending a dime. Try it now while it's still completely free. You'll be surprised at how well it works. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.